Imagine this, you're staring at a repair bill that could wreck your weekend, but the fix was sitting in your garage the whole time. A single red and yellow can most people barely touch. Mechanics don't talk about these moves because they quietly keep customers coming back. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 18 game-changing WD-40 tricks that'll save you serious cash, boost performance, and make your car feel brand new again. Stick around, trick number 3 has rescued more than one driver from a $3,000 nightmare. Let's dive in. Trick 18, clean a gunked-up gas cap. That gas cap on your filler neck collects road grime, dried fuel residue, and dust like a magnet. Over time, it turns into a gritty mess that ruins the seal and can trigger phantom check engine lights. Grab your can and give the threads, the underside, and the rubber sealing ring a solid spray. Let it penetrate for about a minute so the solvents break down the baked-on junk. Wipe everything clean with a microfiber cloth. You'll be amazed how much comes off. Finish with a light protective coat on the threads before you click it back on. Now the cap spins smoothly, seals tight, and stays cleaner for months. Do this every couple of fill-ups and you'll dodge a ton of unnecessary diagnostic trips. 2 minutes of your time can keep that annoying light from ruining your drive. Trick 17, remove water spots from your side mirrors. Those stubborn white mineral spots on your mirrors don't just look bad, they scatter light and make it harder to judge traffic in the next lane. Rain and hard water bake them on like permanent haze. Missed a light layer of WD-40 straight onto the glass, give it 30 seconds to work, then buff in gentle circles with a clean microfiber. The deposits lift away instantly, leaving crystal clear glass with a water-beating finish that helps rain sheet off in the next storm. Make it part of your post-wash routine. Suddenly your mirrors look showroom fresh and you're spotting hazards faster. Safety and looks in one quick step. Trick 16, clean leather and vinyl seats. Your seats and door panels absorb years of skin oils, dust, and spills until they look dull, sticky, and worn out. Expensive cleaners often strip the natural finish and make the problem worse. Instead, spray a small amount onto a microfiber cloth, never directly on the surface, and wipe gently along the grain. You'll watch embedded dirt transfer right onto the cloth while the material underneath darkens and regains that supple feel. Follow with a dry wipe and do the same on your console and door cards. This keeps leather from drying out and cracking, delaying costly reupholstery by years. A supple interior doesn't just feel luxurious, it holds its value when it's time to sell. Trick 15, clean and restore your tires. Brake dust, road tar, and UV oxidation leave your sidewalls looking faded and flat even after a good wash. That dull brown film kills the whole stance of the car. Spray WD-40 directly on the sidewall and work it in with a detailing brush or old rag. The formula cuts through oxidation in seconds, lifting the brown haze to reveal deep, rich black rubber underneath. Wipe away the excess and you've got tires that pop. Throw in a quick pass before car meets or weekend trips and the whole vehicle instantly looks $1,000 sharper. Plus the light barrier slows future browning. Trick 14, clear up a hazy windshield. That oily film on your glass turns night driving into a light show nightmare, headlight glare everywhere and reduced visibility when it matters most. Exhaust, dashboard vapors, and road residue create a smear water alone can't touch. Lightly coat the windshield with WD-40, spread evenly, wait 30 seconds, then wipe completely clean with a dry cloth. The difference is shocking. Rain now beads and flies off instead of streaking, and your wiper blades will thank you if you hit them too. Suddenly the road ahead feels safer, and the car drives like it has brand new glass. Trick 13, restore your exhaust tips. Carboned-up, dull exhaust tips drag down the entire rear end of an otherwise clean car. Heat-baked soot laughs at regular soap. Spray generously inside and around the tips, let it soak a couple of minutes, then agitate with a soft brush or cloth. The carbon releases in satisfying dark wipes. Buff dry and you've got shiny, showroom tips again. Do both sides together so they match perfectly. Trick 12, refresh rubber floor mats. Rubber mats trap mud, salt, and grime deep in the texture until they look permanently faded and cracked. After hosing them down, apply a light, even coat of WD-40 and spread it across the surface. It penetrates the rubber, pushes out embedded dirt, and restores flexibility and deep black color. Wipe excess, let dry and lay them back in. They look and feel factory fresh again. Same trick works wonders on trunk liners and cargo areas. Next cleanup becomes way easier. Trick 11. Restore faded tail lights. Cloudy, yellowed tail lights don't just age your car, they scatter light and make you less visible from behind, a real safety concern. Spray WD-40 on the lens and buff in circles with a microfiber. The haze lifts almost immediately as the formula fills micro scratches and leaves a protective layer that slows future oxidation. Keep a can in the trunk and hit them every few months. Clear lights look sharper, shine brighter, and might even keep you out of a traffic stop. Before we hit the really powerful tricks, if you're learning something useful, smash that like button and subscribe. It helps us keep digging up these mechanic secrets for you. Trick 10. Clean dusty interior surfaces. That stubborn gray dust film on your dash, doors, and trim always seems to come back no matter how many times you wipe. Spray a little WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and gently clean every surface. It grabs dust instead of pushing it around and leaves a light conditioning layer that repels future buildup. Pay special attention to the air vents. Cleaning them means fresher air every time you turn on the blower. Trick 9. Add a quick protective coat to your paint. Bird droppings, sap, bugs, and road tar can etch your clear coat in a single hot afternoon. After washing and drying, mist WD-40 panel by panel and buff evenly. You get an instant deep, wet shine and a sacrificial layer that makes contaminants slide right off. It's not a full wax, but it's fantastic quick protection between proper details, especially on the hood and front bumper where rock chips and bugs hit hardest. Trick 8. Free up a stiff seat belt. A seat belt that sticks or retracts unevenly isn't just annoying, it might not do its job properly in an emergency. Pull the belt all the way out, then run a cloth lightly dampened with WD-40 along the webbing. Let it retract slowly a few times. Grime dissolves, the mechanism loosens, and you get that smooth factory pull again. Do every belt in the car while you're at it. Trick 7. Fix a sluggish ignition switch. Key going in gritty or turning with resistance usually isn't a failing cylinder, it's just dried out lubricant and dust inside the tumbler. With the key out, give the keyhole a short burst, insert the key and work it back and forth gently. Within seconds the action becomes smooth and precise again. Do your spare keys too so you're never stuck when it counts. Trick 6. Quiet a squealing serpentine belt. That high-pitched scream on startup is usually glazing, dust, or light slippage across the pulleys. With the engine off, lightly mist the belt and pulleys. Fire it up and the noise usually disappears instantly as traction is restored. Listen for cracks or fraying while you're there. If the belt is worn out, this buys you time to replace it properly instead of getting upsold at the shop. Trick 5. Free up stiff window tracks. Grinding, sticking windows, especially in cold weather, happen because tracks collect dirt and the rubber dries out. Lower the glass halfway, spray into the exposed channels on both sides, then cycle the window up and down slowly several times. The glass glides smoothly again and the rubber stays flexible through every season. Don't forget the rear windows. Trick 4. Free a stuck side mirror. Power mirrors that bind or manual ones that feel frozen are almost always gummed up pivots, not a dead motor. Spray carefully into the joints and housing, let it penetrate, then test the controls. Movement usually returns right away. A quick pre-winter treatment keeps everything working when ice hits. Trick 3. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. Nothing worse than releasing the brake and the car still won't roll because the cable is corroded or frozen solid. Locate the cable under the car, spray generously along its length and into any openings and let it soak. Cycle the brake a few times while gently rocking the vehicle. The corrosion breaks, tension releases, and you're rolling again. Finish with another coat to keep moisture out, especially important in salted winter regions. Trick 2. Clean your mass airflow sensor. Rough idle, sluggish throttle, terrible fuel economy, and a check engine light often trace back to a dirty MAF sensor feeding bad data to the computer. Remove the sensor, lightly mist the wires and sensing elements, let it sit a minute, then gently wipe and allow it to air dry completely. Reinstall once bone dry. You'll often clear the light and restore crisp performance without spending $80 $300 on a new part. Trick 1. Restore your front grille. Your grille is the first thing people see, and when it's caked in bugs, brake dust, and road debris, it makes the whole car look neglected. Spray WD-40 generously into all the crevices, let it dwell, then brush and wipe clean. The grime lifts away, the finish darkens and sharpens, and future bugs wipe off far easier. Hit it regularly during bug season and your front end always looks sharp. There you have it. 18 ways a simple can of WD-40 becomes one of the most valuable tools in your garage. If one of these surprised you, drop a comment below and tell me which trick you're trying first. Hit like if this saved you some money, subscribe for more hidden car secrets, and check the next video on genius maintenance tips that keep your wallet happy. Thanks for watching. Now go make that car shine. I'll see you in the next one.